Hey guys, welcome back to New England Fire Cooking. I'm Aaron Higgins, and today what we're going to do is we're going to do my take on an Elvis sandwich. I'm having lunch right before work and I'm starving. And the Elvis sandwich is really awesome. Essentially what it is, it's a grilled peanut butter sandwich with sliced bananas and bacon strips on it. And the flavor from an Elvis sandwich is just awesome, but today we're going to take it a step further and we're going to make an Elvis burger. And then we're going to make a sriracha grape jelly sauce to drizzle over the top of it. It's going to be awesome. Before I get going here, let's go light the grill.
So for this cook, we're going to use our B&B lump charcoal. We're going to be using a wax cube to get this lit. Got our new handy dandy mat right here. And that's got it. Let's get this chimney on. So we're going to get this chimney set right down on top of that cube. Let it go to work. Once your coals are nice and hot, dump them right down in the very bottom. Gonna set our grill grates back. And then we're gonna use this. This is the bottom side of the grill grates for any grill. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it right down on top like that. And that's going to act like a flat top. It's going to be perfect for this burger.
Okay, so while our grill's coming up to temperature, what I have right here is I have about a half a pound of ground beef. And this beef came from Charles Oak Farms in Sherburne, Mass. And all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to press this into a burger. And you can press it to whatever thickness that you like. Just keep in mind that when this cooks, it is going to pull in and is going to shrink on you. So what I like to do is I like to go oversized by just a little bit. And that right there is more than good enough for me. I think that'll be just fine. Now, you might notice that I'm not seasoning this burger, and you're right, I'm not seasoning this burger. I typically don't really season burgers much at all. If I do, it's a little bit of salt and pepper. Now, you can season this with whatever seasonings you like. Okay, this is just how I like them, but you can make this however you like. The reason I'm really not seasoning this one is because I really want to taste the peanut butter, the bananas, the bacon, and this sriracha grape jelly sauce that I'm going to drizzle over this. Okay, I really don't want to be tasting a whole lot of salt, pepper, garlic on this one. But if you like it, absolutely go for it. So now that this thing's pressed and good to go, let's get it down to the pit and let's get it grilling.
So we got our grill running nice and hot. And before I get this bad boy on here, I'm just going to hit this flat top with a little bit of cooking spray. Now, without further ado, let's get this bad boy on. Get it closed, let it roll for a few minutes, then we'll give it a flip. This burger's been on for a few minutes, and because I like mine a little on the rare side, I'm going to give it a flip now. And I am going to throw a slice of cheese on this. This is going to be a cheeseburger, but I'm not going to go too crazy. Remember, you really want to taste the peanut butter, the bacon, and the bananas, but I do like a little bit of cheese. Okay guys, now that right there is looking good to me. It's time to get this bad boy off and eat. Okay guys, what I have here is I have a real hot pan with some bacon grease in it. What I have here is I have some sliced bananas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get these right in. Just pan fry these. These will be really good. Just want to let them caramelize and get a little golden brown. That's pretty much what you want right there. Keep in mind I'm running on medium-high heat. So after about a couple minutes, you want to give them a flip and they should have this nice golden brown color on there. It's going to taste awesome. Okay guys, so what I did here, and I did this off camera, unfortunately. I got a little ahead of myself. But what I did here was I just made a simple sauce, grape jelly sriracha sauce. And there's no real rhyme or reason to it. You can eyeball it. I like mine a little on the hotter side. So what I did was about 2 tablespoons of jelly to 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce. You just mix it together until it's well blended. And right before we put it on the burger, we're going to heat it up in the microwave and get it warm.
Okay guys, we got all of our ingredients assembled. These banana chips that I fried were fried in the bacon grease from these 2 strips of bacon that I fried prior to. And also, this bun, I just gave it a light grill right down on the pan in the bacon grease right before the bananas went in. So now that we have all this here and we're ready to go, let's get building the burger. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this bun and I'm gonna give this a real healthy dose of peanut butter. Can't go wrong here, guys. And I'm gonna do the same treatment on both sides of this bun. Now we're gonna get our burger, sit it right in the middle of that, and then our banana chips. I just wanna layer them nice and even on top. Now our bacon. Now we're gonna come back with our grape jelly sriracha sauce that we warmed up in the microwave. It's nice and hot. It's gonna be nice and sticky. And just drizzle that right over the top. Look at that. That looks awesome. That looks absolutely awesome. Okay guys, so before I go absolutely nuts here, let's do a quick run through of what we did to make this burger. This is a really, really easy one. All you needed was a ½ pound of burger meat. This meat came from Charles Soap Farms up in Sherburne, Massachusetts, but if you just go to the grocery store and get yourself some ground beef, that's fine. And then what we did was we sliced up half a banana. We got it into some nice, about, I would say, 1/4 inch thick slices. Okay, we set those aside. We mixed 2 tablespoons of Welch's grape jelly in with another tablespoon of sriracha sauce. We mixed that together and set that off to the side. We fired up the charcoal grill with some B&B lump charcoal, and then we set up our grill grates for any grill upside down on the grill so we could use that as a flat top to cook this burger. I didn't season this and I explained why I did that. And then we got this right on top of the grill grates, right on top of the flat top, and we let it roll for a few minutes on either side. I threw 1 slice of American cheese on it because I do like a cheeseburger, but I don't want a ton of cheese on it. I want to taste the peanut butter, the bacon, the bananas, and the sauce on this burger. So after our burger was finished cooking, we got some bacon grease and a skillet, and we got it nice and hot. And we pan fried these banana chips so they got nice and golden brown. They're gonna be crispy and delicious. And then afterwards, we took our toasted bun and we gave it a good healthy dose of peanut butter on both sides of the bun. You don't want to put it just on the top or the bottom. You want peanut butter, at least I want peanut butter. So I threw that on both sides of the bun. And then we took our sriracha grape jelly mixture and we put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And that sauce is gonna taste awesome. We drizzled it right over the top of this burger after we got our bananas and our bacon put on it. And now, I gotta tell you, I can't wait for this. As you can see, I'm about to go into work here shortly, but this is gonna be a really, really good pre-work lunch. Look at the size of that bad boy. Here we go. Ah. Wow. Guys, this is a burger for the ages. I haven't even gotten into the bananas yet. But so far, this peanut butter, this grape jelly sriracha sauce is absolutely awesome. Look at those juices. Look at those juices. That is great. Now I'm into the banana chips. This is tasting so good, guys. I mean, what a burger. Beef flavor comes right through. You got the stickiness from the peanut butter, you get the flavor from the bacon, the sweetness and the crunchiness from the banana chips, and then a little bit of sweet and hot with that sauce. This tastes so awesome, guys. Let's see what killed Elvis at age 42. I'm going back in. Peanut butter's like glue. Charles Oak Farms, you guys put out some really good beef. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish this and then I gotta get out the door. I gotta head to work here shortly. But thanks for hanging out with us today. If you really like seeing this type of food cooked all the time and you're getting a lot out of this channel and you want to support us, give us a subscribe, click that bell. Okay, check us out on Instagram, check us out on Facebook. We're gonna be putting content like this out all year long. We appreciate your support. We'll see you next time.